Hello, friends. My name is Hari Om Vashishtha. HARIOM VASHISHTHA. That spelling was for the artificial intelligence embedded in systems because often they get my name wrong. Okay, so welcome to the third series, where I'm learning and building myself on live stream. Uh, Third means previously there are two series already on similar lines. This is the most recent iteration, and there have been other two iterations before that, which has been in live stream but building something else. Okay. Um, so in these live streams, I learn, I pick up a goal, I work towards it, I iterate, I break patterns, I create patterns, I identify patterns, and in this system of systems, my own agent built on the top of Hermes, on the top of ClawStation.ai helps me. Okay, and it helps me to document. I have to iterate carefully, um, design the prompts and the systems and requirements and expectations and metrics. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my screen. In the last session, my Hermes agent didn't operate as expected, um, and that was sad. Very sad. That was MDCP V6. It failed. So what happened there, as per its on run on the 13th, like about midnight night that was. I ended the session on 14th. So the dates are like mixing up here. My database of learning sessions shows very indisciplined exercise of building, and I'm carefully trying to. Oh my god. Uh, Wait a second. Oh, sorry. So there are some controls I'm looking for here. Okay, 1 second. Got it. Uh, oh no, this streaming software is acting sad. Anyway, so I often land into such tangents. So after the recent run, um, I found that my uh, API key was uh, expired, and that was due to the reason that the app was in a testing mode. So I had to publish it so that it doesn't happen again. The need for automation every day is rising a bit, and it hurts if I don't automate. So I'm operating. So the latest version is ready to operate, and the previous video. So I went through an mode of iteration with the help of Claude, and what did I do is that I tested my new prompt for the requirements, and I changed a lot of things around that. If I have to showcase my screen from ta-da-ta, ta-ta-ta. How do I share a different screen? Wait a second. Yes. So I'm jumping to my database on. Oh my god. Hmm. My database, Notion database. Hello, Notion. Where are you? It sometimes happens that the systems simply do not operate. Okay. So I'm going to be. Oh no! Again, I keep looking for the right controls. So this database shows the indiscipline in my operation, but iterations are also like very clearly visible. So this attempt, this document is done by cloud code. So technically, what I'm saying is that I have iterated, I've redesigned the outcome, um, and I can still do it with the help of cloud. Why do I need to spend some credits and you know spend on, like, even spend anything if can do something for free? So I need to experiment. That's the core need, is to experiment, and that is the sole reason that I'm experimenting. So I'm going to be. I mean, today I'm realizing that switching screens, oh no, is like a too much effort thing. So there's no point sharing cloud right now. So let me jump to my agent. Okay, and we'll move from here. Right. So I need to hit the run now button, and I just did. I'll also showcase the uh, credits balance 4.96. That is the current state, and I expect it to finish by like less than $1.5. That's the experiment. Okay, so by the time this thing is running, thanks for CloudStation for this amazing platform. My expectation from this is that I also enabled Karpathy's LLM, and I have not received anything in my uh, LLM wiki yet. So the yet is the important part, right? Uh, so now I'm getting into. Oh, I missed sharing the screen. So my LLM wiki is empty, and I am now trying to see what Karpathy LLM, the wiki, the extracts for my own knowledge, and with grows with me, right? So let's see. There's Hermes also. I mean, there's nothing in my wiki knowledge base observability anything yet. So we'll see. Now, uh, my Hermes agent also updates my YouTube video description. So, previous video has been done. I'll just share that on screen. Uh, I had to rewrite the. I think I must reformat this thing. I mean, this one paragraph is like bad formatting. Okay, uh, automated tags is also attached, right? So now the, like, I mean, as Elon says and works, like, he what I observe, what I have learned from his methodology is that keep on expanding the top of the funnel. Hey, right. So now, if I have to, actually, I want to share a screen from another app. I, and my screen is now. Okay, I'll share screen from X platform. So I, and my schedule, my uh, internal urge to do it in more disciplined ways is killing my sleep cycle. What I like expect from myself is more discipline in a way that I work more precisely towards. Um, I'm working about like 4 hours a day, and that is the constraint around my operations. So I want to get to my recent data. I wanted to expose here. So this data on my dashboard right now, 195,000. impressions from live stream is the discipline is the proof of work that I'm exposing for the prospect sponsors in the industry. I'm actually interested. I'm actually planning to title for the video as well for the prospect sponsors. Okay, so this is the discipline I expect. I actually want to replicate on my current channel, the YouTube. Currently, what I'm doing is that this channel's impressions, um, and I hope to optimize my funnels in ways that people might find worth following. So, in my recent sessions, actually, I will come back from X, shut this page down. So so this is my like mode of thinking and working. That is why I'm doing it live stream in a live stream format. I save effort in editing. I believe in being and it's about 50 coins down. So I must actually long time. Um, in the meantime, I must I think share my screen. Actually, it's kind of a retracing exercise for me as well. Like, where did we stop in the last exercise we did? Oh, okay. So this is where it is coming down to. Now, let me. Oh, Claude screen. Okay. Now, I mean, when systems act like we don't understand, we gotta. I mean, there are some things that we call anxiety. If the structure is not as expected, it hurts in the heart and the operations. Okay, so this is not the thing I wanted to showcase. Chapter 21. What did I do is that, like, what's there on screen. I've been writing my about my life in the form of chapters, like a documentation. So today I'm writing chapter 23. I fed all those 21 chapters as a PDF file to Claude recently and asked it to decode my writing style. And wow, I am like, dude, I have deep layers of thinking in my head, just that not aligned with the universe. So just before the session, I say it has given me already the format to publish my writing structures, but I didn't like it much. So I gave it a prompt to go deeper. It's asking some questions. It's a slow process. I'm not iterating from here in the moment. Going back to where we finished in the last session. Da-da-da. Okay. So this 20 session. Oh, this 20 question assessment I finished recently in my recent live stream. After that, and the topic I've been studying and testing against was prompt engineering, which is like about 20, exactly 20% of the Agentforce specialist certification, and that's the goal. I think I missed to talk about the goal of the session, goal of the series at the moment. And although yes, I'm also looking for sponsors. Okay, and I know there's a lot that I can automate in this workflow, especially the short videos content, which costs some dollars. There are tools to get this done, but I like I I need sponsors. I cannot spend all that, but there are tools. The tools can be the sponsor. They should be getting something out of it. So if my content doesn't have reach, why would someone sponsor? Hmm. My content needs to reach at least good scale, good engagement. Maybe that is the moment somebody might think of engaging with my content. So, after this recent rumble with the Claude, which technically started with the most recent version of artificial intelligence, that is Fable 5, but after it was dropped, I had to, of course, go back to the previous version of intelligence available. So, today I actually wish to scroll through. Wait a second. The trailblazer exercises, to be very specific about the things I'm practicing, right? I'm actually looking for a link around here. I recall I had got it. Oh, okay. It was deep somewhere in the woods. So I'll reshare my screen from here and I will continue from there. Share screen, Salesforce enhance. What is the page? Okay. So now it says create and ground prompt templates. I don't know the types of template as well, but yes, I will learn that. So my goal is to attempt for the Salesforce Agentforce certification before 11th of July, which is the Bharat Dreaming event. Oh my God, this is a milestone and a major milestone in my life, I would say. Where is my? Wait a second. Where is my? Where is? I don't have it on screen. I'll show. This thing is not visible, right? I think I will have to share my whole screen. Anyway, so I have a timer on my screen that is running for the date. I want to showcase what I have. This is a hobby thing which I like do for my my most important goals. I put a timer for that date, and I I follow through that until the date arrives. So you see this timer. I hope you can see that. Yes. So this timer is a beautiful thing that I believe keeps me grounded on my goals and builds structures in my systems. So let's go back to. Oh, I'm sharing the whole screen, right? Now I'll be taking a step back from here. I mean, why not showcase like pose and draw it like, yeah, this is who am I. Okay. Sharing screen, logging in. So. How do I log in? How do I log in? How do I log in? Dude, I want to log in as a um, like a Salesforce trailhead. Oh yes, I think I missed the wrong, hit the wrong button. Uh, so Salesforce, it often happens like clicks is a very dangerous thing. That not a dangerous thing. People hate it in this ecosystem because everything requires so much clicks and clicks and clicks. That's why the new things that they say headless, which we all also some of us also believe it should be like a brain. Why would you call it headless? Because the system has got some soul now, right? It can operate like a human almost. So let's follow through for today's learning session. Can it? And there's a lot of like or reading content. Of course, I cannot be listening to 26-minute audio on live stream, but building a sales email prompt template, right? So there's guidance. There's let me see at the bottom if there is a verification system. No, right? There has been there are things that it have does sometimes to verify if we have practiced the right format. I mean, why? What do you even not? Why are you even not using that system of building systems like verification in the certification as well? Like, why would you do it for an MCQ? Damn, damn. Okay, so ground your template. It says start with sales email. Hmm. Let's go with sales email. So I just logged in through my existing login account. Oh, I have it. So this is it was $4.96, right? And now it is $3.28. So the cost has risen. I want to be very specific. So I will post it. I mean, I should use my brain technically. I hit the calculator button twice. So 4.96 minus 3.28. That comes out to be 369, 71, 4.96 minus 3.28. Oh shit. So uh, 1.68. It was supposed to be 1.05, 03, more than 1 point, like 50 cents. And even if that's not like, let's look at the agent page. If it says the operation is complete, okay, it says complete. So we'll verify the runs. I mean, uh, so there's a new page in my Notion database. I want to write its cost to start with 1.68 dollars. Damn it. and that's like still not clear. What did you learn today? Um, so my notion should be visible on screen technically, but please wait. Let me just scroll through it. Come on. There's no summary. Uh, yeah, there is a lot of great thing. So my Hermes agent is there. Let me see if it also shows me some memory. Wiki is still empty. Damn it, man. Are you costed me about like more than you, dude? My LLM is still empty. Wiki is still empty. Oh no! So where is the cost going? Where is the extra cost going? I mean, I may have failed to use the like fire the LLM wiki skill. Oh my god. Oh no, the shit. The credit balance is still not settled. So learning is a byproduct of exploring, and I'm exploring too much random things, and that is my friend. Whoa, okay, I'm in the wrong page. I'm technically in the service cloud, service setup. I must be in the setup. So the cost my machine has bore, my system has bore for today's session. Agent like experimentation is huge. I'm still not settled. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's still creating the wiki for my. Oh no, memory. Why is memory empty? Why is memory empty, babe? And I should not be. Okay, I actually wish to finish this session before the date in the calendar says next day. And I wish to do it, so I must do it. I mean, I'll use my agency to do it. So that's all for today. I mean, I'm getting into things slowly. Expa- so today's learning has been like the most minimal. I by the day, I would say I failed to study today. I only customized my agent. I wrote a few posts on Twitter. So writing is the important part of like maybe thinking today. So I keep writing. Like my brain fires and wish to keep writing about like writing is like a synthesis of the things I'm doing right. We are doing today. So no, no more learning for today. That's all I had. That's all I wish to say for the day. I am grateful. Oh, I'm grateful for whatever I have. I'll continue to learn and I'll keep exposing the way I think to the systems, to the universe I'm building, for the things I want to do. I'm capable of doing for the people who need help. So that's all for today. I wish to end this in today's date. That's all.